calling South Africans, fellow Zimbabweans, Mozambican, to come to the Union Building and Embassy of Zimbabwe in Merton, Pretoria. We will be protesting against the dictatorship, evil Emmerson Mnangagwa, so that he must step down as soon as possible. You will know that harassment of journalists, kidnapping and assassination, suppression of the opposition parties, this thing must come to an end. It will be of the past. As we speak, we are engaging all SADC countries and even the opposition parties, including some of the South African political parties, so that we can form what we call SADC Tribunal Court, so that all the leaders, detectors here in the SADC region will be prosecuted, arrested and being jailed for harassment of the citizen. You will know that in Zimbabwe we have got cases such as the Kukuruhundi, harassment of the vendors. You will know Zimra is abusing poor of the poorest, including what we call the gardeners and the domestic workers, by charging them 40% duty. So such kind of thing will be of the past. Let us come in large number. Don't watch. Come and we claim our country back of Zimbabwe. Enough is enough. We have seen that we are suffering in African continent by one person, which is Emmerson Mnangagwa, the dictator. This time he will go out, he like it or not. And we need to form SADC Tribunal Court so that we know Mnangagwa it is going, but he must pay for the consequences. He caused the damage in the fellow Zimbabweans and South African.
Muri Zimbabwe tose tiri kuzinzwa zviri kuitika pa South Africa. Tiri kunzwa kuti panoda kufomewa inonzi SADC Tribunal Court. Pakashata. Ndofunga Mnangagwa kwose kwaari iko kwachiona zvose izvi hana ere kurova. Saka muri Zimbabwe 31 March tose ngatiinde kwatinodiwa tose, tinozvita in peace. Ngatisaenda kunoluta zvinhu zvevanhu. Ngati proteste in peace, in order, kuti nyika yedu iende mberi. So muri Zimbabwe, let's subscribe our YouTube channel Bwera Village Online. Tichiona ma updates, pano panoitwa ma skits, panoitwa nhau zvakasiyana siyana. Saka musarega kubaya pakanzi subscribe, mobile notification button redu, tichivarairwa pa YouTube channel yedu.